Turning our focus to China's Communist Party Congress, held to plan its economic development for the next 5 years and beyond. The nation's Statistics Bureau released its economic growth figures for the third quarter of this year. They're lower than the quarters before. Officials, however, remain optimistic. Jung-hee has the latest from China's highest-level political meeting.
China's GDP growth has slowed down in the third quarter of this year, but is still higher than the country's growth projection. According to China's National Bureau of Statistics, the Chinese economy grew 6.8% from July to September compared to the same period last year. That's a little below the 6.9% growth seen in the first and second quarters of this year, as investment into real estate and construction decreased, with cities trying to stabilize housing prices. But the Chinese economy is showing smooth, high growth rates. Its GDP expanded almost 7% year-on-year in the first three quarters of this year combined, hitting 59.3 trillion yuan, or roughly $9 trillion.
Economic expansion has been in the range of 6.7 to 6.9% for 9 consecutive quarters, maintaining growth at a medium to high rate.
The figures come in the midst of the Chinese Communist Party Congress, where Chinese President Xi Jinping stressed he'll build a society that's, quote, moderately prosperous in all aspects by 2020. It's been dubbed the Xiaokang Society, where per capita income is in the $3,000 to $10,000 range. President Xi promised to deepen financial reforms, further open China's markets to foreign investors, encourage consumption, and make interest rates and exchange rates more market-based.
China's overall productive forces have significantly improved, and in many areas, our production capacity leads the world. But a bigger problem is that our development is unbalanced and inadequate, which leads to difficulties in satisfying people's growing needs for a better life.
Beijing's growth target for this year remains around 6.5%, and analysts expect a gradual slowdown of China's GDP growth. But with trade and bank lending still staying strong, many believe China will be able to achieve its aim of Xiaokang. Jung-hee, Arirang News.